Ezra Studios presents Tornado, featuring Corgi plush as Tornado and Bobcat plush as 530.
Ooh, this is the perfect place to dig my hole. This will be the best hole anybody has ever seen. Diggy, diggy, diggy. I can't wait to lay in it. I smell a cat. You can come here? That dog made me the perfect hole to lay in. It's so cozy. Hey, that's my hole. No, it's my hole. My hole. My hole. I have to do it because I'm a good dog. Rough. Rough.
The end. Hey, it's me, Ezra. So the reason why I picked this part of this book is because I really like cats, and I think it was kind of funny how the cat went in the hole.